the later versions of Redshift now have ACES and color IO, open color IO support. And the thing is, it's switched on by default, but maybe many of you don't want to use it. So the first thing I want to show you is how to go back to what we had before, because if you go the ACES way, you have to you have to adapt your whole pipeline to the ACES workflow, and that's something we cannot cover in this webinar here. So let me switch it off, and I'm here in a new scene. I just go to my render settings, set it to Redshift, and then I go to the Advanced tab. And here under Globals, you can see that the rendering color space by default is set to ACES CG. And I'm going to set this to Scene Linear Rec 709 sRGB. That's what used to be the default before. So we're going to do that. And we're also going to adjust the hue to untone matte. And now we are back at what we had before. Because if you do ACES and you don't know what you're doing, it's the images appear a bit dark by default. So I just wanted to show you how to switch it back to what we had before.